beautiful space. My dream. Music, performances, I was hooked. But it's an acoustic disaster. You can barely hear each other. Anna, can you grab that curtain? Anna. With the variety of performances we organize, we had a real acoustic problem that needed to be fixed. And I didn't want to hang those heavy baffles all the time. I searched everywhere for an easy system that would soften and improve the sound. It also had to be decorative. Well, that wasn't easy. It has to look good too. Tex Acoustic is available in all colors of the rainbow. For this window, I didn't want a traditional stage curtain, and when I'm not around, Anna has to be able to hang them too. When I saw Tex Acoustic, I knew right away that this was it. I couldn't believe what I was hearing. And it's been made fire retardant by using biodegradable products. Really, very nice. Some call it the sound of beauty. I agree. Can you hear the difference? Nice, right? It even works for pop music. You can influence the acoustics regardless of the type of show.